Hi everybody. This is a quick tutorial on how to terminate your EC2 instance via console and CLI. Let's start with the console. Click on the link given to you. You can type in show creds to list the given to you. And now copy paste the username and password. Now that you're in the console, click on EC2. Go to instances, either from the left panel or the one here. And you can see we have already been given an EC2 instance called DevOps EC2, and it's in a running state. So go to instance state and click terminate instance. Click on terminate, and the instance state is showing that the instance is shutting down. You can read it in the instance state, up or down. You can always refresh, and now the instance is gone, so it's terminated. Let's check. All good. So now the new session, it's the next part of this video, the same task, but through the CLI. We make use of the documentation. This one is through the console that we already did in the first part of this video. Now go to command line and click on terminate instances next to AWS CLI. I prefer to use AWS CLI version 2, so let's click on it. And we use the terminate instances command. But before, let's list the instances with the describe instances command, which is of course one instance which is given in this task, the same as before. This is the instance ID which we will use to terminate the instance, so the system understands which instance we are terminating. The state is running, as you can see. Type in AWS EC2 terminate instances and the instance IDs, one ID here, enter. So the current state of the instance is shutting down. The previous one was running. So now let's give it a few moments and then check. So let's list the instance again. And now let's take a look at the state. It's still showing a shutting down state. So let's try again. List it again with the describe instances command, and here we go. It's terminated. Let's check. And all good. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.